welcome back to my channel. So today, why am I doing that with my hands? First of all, thank you so much guys for getting me. I'm almost at 1,000, and then hopefully welcome to my new and old subscribers. And today's video I am going to be doing a Ulta Beauty unboxing, so let's get straight into it. Show my address. Oh, I thought Ulta, so Ulta Beauty as always. Now I purchase from Ulta Beauty ever so often. It's not like I do have a membership, so I mean, just like with Ulta or Sephora, like those brands, you get points and stuff, and those points lead into like free things or whatever, or you money off. So I think this time around I didn't have much money, but you have to constantly spend a certain amount of dollars to get like to the next level. You guys know if you have any type of thing. All right, I'm opening this to wrong way. I want to show my address. All right, this side I'll open on this side. At least I think that's the way to open it. So yeah, the things that I bought were things that I actually needed, because I was kind of going back and forth. I don't know if I'm the only one who does that. I go back and forth and sometimes compare stores, because I also am a Sephora member as well. So but I don't, like I said, I shop at these places ever so often, so I normally do not build enough points to probably get a big reward, but I normally do get some type of reward, even if it's like $5 off or something. Every dollar counts, honestly. Alright. But today it's not gonna open. So like, I feel like I'd say 2 to 3 or 3 times maybe I'll shop at Ulta. I haven't been in store in a while. Normally when I go in store, it's to get the birthday gift. Last year I didn't even go. I got me one. As always, you know, the extra fluff. Alright, so let's get into what I actually bought. So I believe I bought, okay, so I bought 4 items, and the prices are never on here. So I'll leave the prices down below. I'll leave the prices in the description box, as well as the product that I bought, in case anybody's interested in anything. So I'll start with this, since I am wearing makeup. I needed to get more of the Beauty Blender sponges, and I don't know if anybody else does this, but I was kind of back and forth reading reviews on different brands, and I decided to get the E.L.F. Now I have a lot of E.L.F. brushes and also like a couple of E.L.F. makeup products, so I was like, E.L.F. can't do me no wrong, so I ended up choosing the E.L.F. This is the Total Face Sponge Duo, and it says use wet or dry, and I got it in purple. Not because it's my favorite color, it just so happened that it was purple. But yeah, so this is what it is, and it's latex free. So yeah. Alright, so the next thing that I have, they package all these together, and I'm guessing all because they're liquids, which is really smart, so that it doesn't spill. So like oh, it looks like something did spill. Joy. Well, I'm glad it was in this bag. I don't know what spilled though. Let's see. It looks like the soap. Yep, it was the soap. Even though they put something on top of the soap, it still kind of got messed up. So I'll go with this first. It's kind of messy. I'll rinse this off after, but it didn't look like I lost too much. But it's sealed, so I'm not sure why it fell out. But this is the Mario Badescu. I never know how to pronounce it. Skincare A.H.A Botanical Body Soap. I actually bought this last year, I believe, from Ulta, and then I decided to buy it again. Just because I needed something else. Oh yeah, the reason why I purchased this specifically was because I needed something else to get free shipping. I don't know if you guys are like that, but I feel like I'd rather just go, if I'm $5 away from the free shipping limit, I might as well find something extra to purchase, instead of me paying that $5 for shipping, towards shipping. That $5 I could use to just purchase something else and get free shipping, if that makes sense. I don't know, but yes, so I actually have tried this already, and I did like it. I would say I finished it so fast though, but I guess because this is like 8 fluid ounces. Depends on what shower gels. Like when I have the big sizes of shower gels, like 16 ounces, obviously those last longer. And I mean, and I say this because I'm the only one who uses it, so that's what I'm saying. But I think this lasted me, I don't know, maybe a month and a half. And I don't know, maybe I over apply everything, so I'm just, yeah. But yeah, so this is that. This is what it looks like, although it's kind of messed up. And this is actually for all skin types. So And it says, let me see here, this is our best-selling grapefruit infused body wash designed to leave skin feeling thoroughly clean and refreshed. A.H.A. Botanical Body Soap is formulated with an invigorating blend of fruit enzymes, ginseng, and lichen to revitalize skin with every shower. Directions, well, I don't need to read directions. And then they said their brand is cruelty-free and paraben-free. And then they have all the ingredients, but you know, I'm not going to even butcher names of anything. Like I said, I'll leave the product down below. This is actually something, a repurchase, if you will, because I have tried this already. Okay, the next thing, all this is pretty much skincare and makeup stuff. Like I said, I really was looking for specific stuff. And so, yeah. Okay, what happened here? I'm having a malfunction. Oh, okay. Alright, so the next thing, since we're on shower essentials, I actually want to try this. This is a brand I haven't tried, but I've heard a lot. I've heard a lot about. I heard a lot of people talk about it, especially for people with acne and dark spots. So I wanted to try it. They had 2 different cleansers from the Cerave that I saw. The other one I remember, I think it was something moisturizing cleanser, but I personally wanted to get this one because if you know me and you've been following me for a long time, I told you guys I'm very specific when it comes to my cleansers because I want to make sure that when I wash my face, I want it to feel like, not stripped, but feel, how do I explain it? That it's cleansed. Because I don't know if you guys ever washed your face and then it's like, you feel like you didn't really wash it because it's like whatever product you used didn't really feel like it cleansed your face thoroughly. So that's why I specifically got the foaming cleanser because I feel like it's going to have that soapy, sooty feeling. Now, of course, with all products, I was also looking at reviews, but of course with all products there are negatives and there's positives, so I'm just gonna have to try it for myself and see how I like it. But I chose this one specifically. So like I said, this is the Cerave Forming Facial Cleanser for normal to oily skin. It cleanses and removes oil without disrupting the protective skin barrier with 3 essential ceramides, niacinamide. I have tried something with niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid as well. Tried a couple of products with hyaluronic acid and I like them, so we shall see if this works. I don't think I'm going to do a review on it. I just feel like I'm still, as I continue into learning my skin, I'm trying to find those like staple products. Right now there's only like 2 products that I have in my skincare that are like staple that I've repurchased. Everything else is still kind of just like, okay, maybe I'll try this, maybe I won't. So I'm really trying to look for that staple cleanser that I really love. The staple moisturizer that I really love, and I'm really looking for a product that's going to help me remove my dark spots, because you know, from just popping pimples and all that stuff, I have like those dark spots remainders on my cheeks, specifically my cheeks. I have a little bit on my forehead, but you guys probably won't notice it because I'm wearing makeup right now, which I don't normally. So but yeah, and just a little bit more information about this. Oh, did I show you guys? I probably didn't even show you. Alright, so a little bit more for information. So it says foaming action gently refreshes and cleanses. It says I can't read that word. I'm not going to even mess it up. It won't clog your pores. That's what the word means. Niacinamide, which has vitamin B3, helps calm skin, and fragrance free, which is a plus too. If you're a person who, you know, your skin doesn't like fragrance, then this is good too, to avoid fragrance irritation. So yeah, I actually will not be trying this yet. I just bought it in advance because I knew that the current facial cleanser, I'm close to it finishing, so I kind of just wanted to buy this in advance. Like I said, I've been playing around with cleansers. I haven't found, there was only one that I liked, and I may go back to it, but I still wanted to try this because I know I've heard a lot about Cerave. And so yeah, and the last thing that I have, like I literally tell you guys, sometimes when I shop, I shop for a lot of stuff, and sometimes I just shop for what I need, and this was kind of just like what I need. So this is new. So I think I've talked about, well, if you've been following me for a long time, you know I don't wear makeup on daily, but I'm going to try to do it more, even if I'm not going outside, because I feel like my makeup is being put to waste just staying in there. So that's why, hence my makeup look today. But I actually wanted to try a makeup brush remover, or I would say like a shampoo type of thing, because I normally I have one of those, what do you call them? one of these, and they come in different shapes and sizes if you've ever seen them. It's basically like you can wash your brushes on there. So there's a small, this for like small brushes, medium-sized brushes, and large brushes, which I like. But I feel like even though I wash my brushes with water, I would use regular soap, and I feel like I shouldn't be probably using regular soap. And also sometimes when I finish washing them, some of the brushes are still, they still have leftover makeup residue. So I wanted to try out some type of makeup or brush, especially my what do you call these, my beauty blender sponges. Those two, like they even if I wash it, like it's not fully washed, if that makes sense. So I wanted to try one of these products. I went back and forth again, reading comments and reviews. Now, of course, again, some people will like some stuff, some people will not like it, but majority of people liked this one. So I decided to pick this up. Like I said, I normally just wash it with regular water and some regular soap. So I'm going to see if this is going to work. This is the RT Brush Plus Sponge Cleansing Gel from Makeup Tool Care Deep Cleanse. So, and it says, let's see, use weekly to help prevent buildup from makeup and bacteria, which is a plus. Oh, this is by the Real Techniques brand, by the way. I was like trying to remember what does RT stand for. Real Techniques. Real Techniques. And then it says apply a drop of shampoo onto wet brush or blender and lather. Do not soak base or brushes. So I'm actually thinking of actually doing a video, maybe a shorts video. I don't know what yet. To kind of give my review, because I've actually never tried a makeup brush in all this time. I've never tried a makeup brush cleanser. I think it definitely will be beneficial for me to make sure that I'm actually thoroughly cleaning my brush, because like they said, I'm probably like, even though I feel like it's fully clean, it's not probably clean, and then I'm just adding on different products and stuff. So I think it's definitely good to have a deep clean. Now, depends on how often you use makeup. Me, I don't use makeup on a daily. Like maybe I'll do something weekly now. I'm trying to amp up coming to you guys with makeup, with a makeup look for videos, which I normally don't do. So in that sense, I can get away with doing the weekly washing. Whereas if you're somebody who probably does it often, you probably have a big set of brushes. I don't. I have like literally a small chunk of size brushes, so I would have to wash it that week on a weekly basis. But anyway, so yeah, so we will see all the items. Like I said, just to recap, pretty much this was like skincare. Everything that I mentioned here is for skin, pretty much, or body care. So once again, the E.L.F. Dual Brush on Beauty Blender, because I feel like I needed more. I got the Cerave Foaming Cleanser. I got the Real Techniques makeup tool. Hold on, I have one more thing. And the Mario Badescu. So those are the 4 things I got. Once again, I'll leave everything in the description box for you guys to check out. Make sure you like, you comment, subscribe, you hit the notification bell. Hit that notification bell, because that is how you're notified every time I post a video. You don't want to miss it, because I post every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So, bye.